Good news! Alex has died. How is that good news? Well, he's immediately reincarnated as Amogha-lila Dasa brahmacari. So whenever a baby is born, everyone's very happy. And now we have 6 tuplets, 6 all at once, born into Krishna consciousness, which is real birth, born again. By this birth, instead of being born again and again and again and again and again, then you can cultivate Krishna consciousness and eventually be born in the land of Vrindavan. And Yad Gatvana Nivartante Tadhama Paramam Mama. That is the land of Krishna, and never have to come back again to this material world. You're already in the land of Krishna. San Deigo. San Deigo, the land of Krishna. Well, you're in the house of the very beautiful, very, very beautiful, very, very sweet Sri Sri Radha Giridhari, Sri Sri Gaunitai, Jagannath, Subhadra, Baladev. They're not like someone, just like in Mayapur, we have huge deities in Sri Rangam lying there. Very small and sweet and very beautiful and very kind. Very nice house you've been born into with very good parents and guides. Badri Narayan Maharaj and Dravida have been there since as long as anyone can remember. Balaram Prabhu is also long-standing brahmacari there. Sorry, in very good hands for your spiritual advancement. I remember happy days spent there in San Diego. People go to San Diego for happy days, but they're miserable because they don't know Radha Giridhari. But we're very happy. They're very, very happy. Mangalati every morning and Harinam on the beach and downtown and sometimes doing house programs like in Guru Krishna Prabhu's house. So be happy. That's our message. Sarve Sukhino Bhavantu. Sarve Sukhino Bhavantu. May everyone be happy in Krishna consciousness. The name Amogha-lila is a name that Srila Prabhupada gave to one of his disciples, who was for many years in California also. Another great personality. The meaning of the name Amogha-lila, spotless pastimes, you'll find in Bhagavatam. And for more elucidation on that meaning, please ask Dravida Prabhu. I wish all of you newborn babies all success in your onward life in Krishna consciousness. All glories to Srila Prabhupada, who continues to shower his mercy on the devotees, generation after generation. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.